Here's a good question that Future Trader 71 just asked. Anybody that was out there on Twitter, get in alignment with the market. What has the market done so far? Well, we're assuming he's referring to today. So let's answer that question. Market took out the previous high, stopped running all of the early shorts, then it turned around on a dime just short of the open gap at 24 and came down, did a nice solid trade into support, got the lunch bounce back into the mid zone, has so far respected yesterday's high, come back to do a double bottom test of the overnight low, the angel, right? We challenged the 13.5 days open area, come back down, so it's given the one finger salute and rejected the new high, and so far this afternoon it's also rejected yesterday's high, and it has now come down, and with less than an hour to go, has come back yet again to check on the angel, support angel, see if the overnight low and the 12 area can hold yet again. So that's all I know. And after 91.25 points, it kind of made sense to hit a new high and hope for the best, with no guarantee that that trade would work. But we had said early that let's think of that 22 to 24 primary resistance zone, because it's a target. So resistance target, meaning if you got there, there'd be some profit taking. And then the luck part was to continue all the way back down here. And yet that, we can see, has been defended by the bots to the tick. So soft day compared to the previous few days. And if we want to put that into perspective, in the swing charts, we've also obviously still, the bid for today is right here at the beginning of the next box. So after a 91.25 point push, inconsequential to come backwards this far. You need more. We need more for balance. So far, the market's not giving that to the shorts. So that's the way I would answer that question. And obviously, a journey of 1,000 steps starts with a single one. So is it, normal to get this kind of a pullback? I'd love to see more, but certainly you've got to start with something. And today's odds said short it and see what happens. So more importantly than that question, I think, is where do we go from here, and what are the best odds? People are saying let's buy pullbacks. Fine. Which one? Where would be the best odds for a pullback to buy? And currently, one has to conclude until you break the 12 zone, that's support. And obviously, rain line's still way back here. So the market probably won't give a lot of satisfaction to the shorts, RTH today. It's just the way they've been playing it. But good question he asked. Great question. And you need to be able to answer that. And more importantly is, out of X amount of points in a range, what can I carve out of it? That's really what we're trying to do. We say, okay, for so many hours spent, what are we going to get paid? Where are the best odds trades, and where can I avoid trouble? Look at the difference between the primary trade and everything else that's happened since. So clearly, this was the best trade to be in. If you take one good trade a day, there it is.